Okay, well, I managed to fix the problem with the lacquer where it dissolved the paint, and put all the decals on, and it's had a couple of coats of the Tamiya clear. Left it with a nice kind of satin finish. I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, got a flipping hair from somewhere. Where the hell have I got that little thing? Get off. There we go. Right. Yeah. Yeah, it struggles with close up. But there. Yeah, well, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, it does not like close up, does it? Not even that close. Yeah, some of these decals on the wing I think are well over scale. Especially them two that are in like right angles to each other. I don't think they would have been that big on the real machine, but yeah, I've never looked closely at a Spitfire before, so I couldn't tell you. But yeah, I'm going to put the exhausts in, and I'm going to try and do a little bit of weathering. Going to mix up some fresh wash, because the one that I made and kept in a jar seems to have gone really kind of bitty. No matter how much I stir it, I can't get the bits to dissolve again, so I'm just going to knock up a fresh batch. Since I've now got fresh pot and Mach 33 for my next project, which is going to be this motorbike sidecar, German one with the crew. It's from Zvezda. Never built a Zvezda kit before. It looks really crisp and nice inside. I've just given it a black undercoat with a rattle can, so I've got a good base to start with, and probably start that in the next day or two. I probably will do a bit of a build video on it, but yeah, I'm going to stick the exhaust in on this now, and then try and give it a bit of a wash and see what happens. See you in a minute. Okay, right, so she's taken a wash nicely, a lot better than I expected. I'm quite happy with that. Seems to do a bit of oil splatter coming from the landing gear, but once again, I thought I'd do a reveal of the cockpit, see how well my my mask has worked. I'm not expecting anything amazing from it. Again, I don't expect, because it's only the second time I've ever attempted this, so we shall see, shall we? Okay, let's carry on here. Well, that corner looks good. Unfortunately, we seem to have got some shavings from the sanding inside the canopy. Oh no, but the outlining looks good. Quite happy with it. I'm using the hobby blade. I'm always scared I'm gonna scratch the plastic, but I haven't so far. Yeah. That's apart from the dust that's caught on the inside, not bad. It's only the second time I've ever attempted to mask a canopy, and I tell you what, the overall result is so much better than doing it freehand. Get off. Put some masking tape stuck on the tweezers. I don't know how well it's going to focus, because this thing doesn't really do close up very well. But as I said, I'm quite happy with that. I mean, it doesn't fit very well anyway. That's why some dust managed to get up inside. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. So yeah, last thing to do will be do some exhaust burn down the side of the fuselage, and then some oil splats coming from the undercarriage, and I'm also going to paint the front of that radiator there. But yeah, I will bring you back once I've done that. See you in a minute. Right, there it is, finished article. Yeah, for a crappy kit, sorry, wife's tickling my belly. Yeah, for a crappy kit that it was, I think it's turned out pretty well. I'm happy with it. So there you go. Stay tuned for more stuff coming very soon. See you soon.